Hello and welcome. In this video, we're diving into a topic that affects everyone's financial well-being: credit scores. Whether you're looking to buy a house, car, or just want to improve your financial health, we've got the credit score cheat sheet for you. Stick around for quick and actionable tips to boost your credit score right away. Tip 1. Know your score. First things first, check your credit score. You can get a free credit report annually from each of the major credit bureaus. Knowing where you stand is crucial for improvement. Websites like Bajaj Markets or your bank's online portal often provide free score tracking. Understanding the components of your credit report, like payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history, could help you focus on specific areas for improvement. Tip 2. Pay your bills on time. Timely payments are the cornerstone of a healthy credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Even one late payment could have a significant impact on your score. Consistency in paying bills on time shows lenders that you are a reliable borrower, positively influencing your creditworthiness. Tip 3. Reduce credit card balances. Credit utilization, or the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits, plays a crucial role in your credit score. Aim to keep your balance, credit utilization, below 30% of your credit limit for each card. Paying down credit card balance could quickly boost your score. Consider focusing on paying off your high-interest cards first, or transfer your outstanding balances to a lower-interest card. Tip 4. Don't close unused credit accounts. While it might seem logical to close unused credit accounts, it could harm your credit score. Closing accounts reduces your overall available credit, which may increase your credit utilization ratio. Keep those old accounts open, even if you're not actively using them. It contributes positively to the length of your credit history, a key factor in your credit score. Tip 5. Dispute errors on your credit report. Mistakes happen, and they could be dragging down your score. Regularly review your credit report for errors and dispute any discrepancies you find with the credit bureau. Correcting inaccuracies could lead to a quick boost in your credit score. It's your right to have accurate information on your report. Improving your credit score doesn't have to be a long and complicated process. By following these quick tips, you could take significant steps toward a better financial future. Stay tuned. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning,